Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new keyboard language on a Mac. As you see here, right now, my keyboard languages are the Arabic and also the English, the US English. Now, how to add a new keyboard language? It's simple. Click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now, scroll down to Keyboard and then look for text input, and next to input sources click on edit. A new window pops up. You will see your current language or keyboard language. Click on it like this. You will see it this way. Now click on this little plus icon and you will see the available input sources or keyboard languages that you can add. Let's say that I want to add, for example, by the way, for each, not for each language, but just for English, there is multiple input sources. And as you see, for example, this is ABC extended, Australia, British, Canadian. As you see, there is a difference, a slight difference between the Canadian English input source or keyboard language and the British one. Same thing for the Arabic. There is Arabic PC, Arabic QWERTY, Arabic 123, and simple Arabic. As you see, the Arabic 123 uses those numbers, and the original Arabic use those type of numbers. Now, let's say that I want to add, for example, this Japanese or Italian keyboard language. Select between which one that you want to use. Let's go with the QWERTY. There is, to my knowledge, I think there is a AZERTY or QWERTY, but Italians, they have QWERTY. So this is good. Click on add. As you see, now the Italian keyboard language is added. Click on done. And from now on, you can select between Arabic. Just in my case, you can switch between keyboard languages from here. I think if you click on command space, you can switch between languages. If you pay, or you can not switch, but you can return to the other input source or keyboard language. Just click on command, then space, and you can switch between the recent languages. And this is how to add a new keyboard language on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.